Hi guys! Ayun, so kakatapos ko lang mag-makeup. So to complete my whole routine, I will be using the Eau de Perfume from Organic Nature. So, recent ko lang na-discover na meron pala sila neto. Akala ko it's all about healthy and beauty drinks lang and then makeup. And then recently, I just discovered that they do have this perfume. So, lately lang ako naging aware na meron pala siya. And the good thing about this, a friend told me na itong specific scent na to for women, which is the Delicate, is actually something that I can use during summer. Why? Kasi refreshing ang amoy niya and parang bagong ligo lang, ganun, fresh lang talaga siya, which is totally gustong-gusto ko dahil most often times lumalabas ako during daytime and ayoko masyadong nagper-perfume ng masyadong matapang. Ang hinahanap ko is yung parang fresh lang, parang bagong ligo, ganun, parang medyo citrusy but hindi masakit sa ilong. And now I actually found my go-to perfume. So I will be using this Delicate from Organic Nature to complete it. Ayan. So later, babalitaan ko kayo kung talagang long-lasting siya. Kasi based doon sa mga feedback ng friends ko, after they use this, it actually stay for at least 4 to 5 hours or yung iba at least 6 to 8 hours kung air condition. Pero right now, since I will go out on a daytime, let's see how long it will last. So, balikan ko kayo. Bye!